Okay, so now I've got a scratch on my monitor. What do? Well, I'm going to make it invisible. Okay, so to do this, all you need is some greasy body lotion. I'm just using cocoa butter, but Vaseline or perhaps moisturiser will work well. And you'll need a cloth. Now, I'm doing this on matte monitors, so I'm not sure what the result will be on a glossy monitor, but you might as well try it out because it's completely reversible because you can just rub it off again. Okay, so what you do is take a blob of your greasy substance and rub it into the scratch. So once you've rubbed in the grease, you need to get your lint-free cloth and rub off any excess. Then you want to smear the remaining grease about so it sort of blends with the surrounding area. What you don't want to do is rub too much of the grease off because it will rub it out of the scratch itself. Once you've done this, you will have a slight patch of grease, but the scratch itself should be pretty much invisible. And there we go. Your scratch should have completely disappeared. So this is a great way to hide any scratches on your monitor. And the moral of the story is, don't vacuum your monitor. Yeah, ta-ra.